Hello friends, I am Kaushik Bharti, Associate Professor, Srimati S.I. Patel Ipkowala College of Commerce, Petla. Friends, today we will learn new examples of the farm accounts. Here is the sum in front of you. Trial balance sheet is given and we have to consider some adjustments and then we have to prepare the farm accounts and balance sheet also. So let's start friends. Here is the farm accounts and balance sheet. Let's start. Go to the sum. First of all, opening stock of seeds, fertilizer and grains will be written debit side of the farm accounts. Go to the farm accounts. Seeds 28,000, fertilizer 35,000, grains 35,000, total 98,000. Go to the sum. Purchase will be written debit side of the farm accounts. Seeds 15,000, fertilizer 13,000. Total 28,000. Go to the sum. Friends, here livestock will be written in the balance sheet. Opening balance we have 70,000. Purchase of livestock 20,000. Go to the balance sheet. Livestock. Opening balance 70,000. Purchase 20,000. Total 90,000. Go to the sum. Debtors 50,000 will be shown in the balance sheet asset side. Debtors rupees 50,000. Wages for the casual laborers and permanent laborers 24,000 and 18,000 respectively. Go to the farm accounts. Wages for the casual labor 24,000. For the permanent labor 18,000. Total 42,000 will be written in outer columns. Go to the sum again. Drawings 16,000 will be written in the balance sheet liability side. Go to the balance sheet. Drawings 16,000. Go to the sum again. Cash rupees 14,000. Here in the adjustments number 4, grass of rupees 10,000 were sold out, of which 50% was on credit and 50% of credit sales are to be write off as a bad debts. Means here amount of the sales 10,000. So here clearly mention 50% was credit, means other 50% is cash. So it will be added in the amount of cash. So cash amount 14,000 will be written in the balance sheet asset side. So cash balance 14,000. Cash sale of grass 5,000. Other 50% of 10,000 will be returned as a credit sales. So it is the 5,000. Go to the sum again. 50% of credit sale are to be write off as a bad debts. Means credit sale 5,000. 50% of 5,000 will be written off as a bad debts. It is 2,500. So the credit sale 5,000 minus 2,500 bad debts. So remaining amount will be returned in the outer column. It is 2,500. Here bad debts 2,500 will be debited to the farm accounts. So go to the farm account. Bad debts 50% of 5,000, 2,500. Go to the sum again. Farm machinery 30,000, land and building 80,000. They are assets. So they are written in the balance sheet at the asset side. Go to the balance sheet. Here we have to give the effect of the adjustment also. So look at the adjustment number 2. Depreciate farm machinery and land and building by 10%. So the effect of the depreciations for both the assets 10% will be given here. Go to the balance sheet. Farm machinery 30,000, 10% depreciation. After deducting 10% depreciations rupees 3,000, 27,000 will be returned in the outer columns. Land and building 80,000, 10% depreciations will be deducted. It is 8,000. Remaining amount will be shown in the outer column. It is 72,000. Here second effect of the depreciations will be given in the farm account debit side. For the farm machinery 3,000, for the land and building 8,000. Go to the farm accounts. Depreciation for the machinery 3,000, for the land and building 8,000, total 11,000 in outer columns. Go to the sum again. Fencing expense 22,000. Friends, fencing expense is the deferred expenditure. So it is shown asset side in the balance sheet. Here adjustment is there, adjustment number 3. fencing expense is to be written off in 2 years. 2 years means 50% will be returned current years and remaining 15% will be returned next year. So go to the balance sheet. Fencing expense 22,000, 50%, 1.5, 11,000 will be deducted here. So remaining 11,000 will be returned in the outer columns. Here, due from cooperative society for sale of grains. It is a debit balance spend. So amount rupees 30,000 which we have to receive from cooperative society. So it is returned as a receivable income in the balance sheets. And land and revenue 10,000 will be returned as an expense debit side of the farm accounts. Land and revenue 10,000. Go to the balance sheet. Due from cooperative society, it is returned in the balance sheet as a receivable incomes. Go to the sum. Sales, grains 1,24,000, dairy product 28,000, livestock 16,000, creditor 78,000. So first of all, we will write amount of sales in the credit side of the farm accounts. Fencing expense, we have to write return of fencing expense 11,000. It is debited to the farm accounts. Credit side, sales of grain 1,24,000, sales of dairy product 28,000 and sale of grass 10,000. Sale of grass 10,000, it is given in the adjustment number 4, grass of rupees 10,000. So the edger sales, it is credited to the farm accounts. Livestock 16,000. Sales of livestock 16,000 will be returned in the balance sheet. So capital 1,40,000. Go to the sum. Here is the capital 1,40,000. We will write in liability side 1,40,000. Sales of livestock 16,000. Closing balance of livestock, it is 60,000. Go to the sum. Here is the closing balance of livestock 60,000 will be returned in outer column at asset side. So the missing amount we can get 14,000. Missing amount. How to find out missing amount? So the here after simplifying we can get 74,000. Closing balance of livestock as per adjustment 60,000. So 74,000 minus 60,000. Missing amount 40,000. It is the amount of write-off during the year for the livestock. Go to the sum again. Creditors 78,000. 6% loan 80,000. Here interest on loan, it is not given in the debit balance. So the effect of the interest on loan 6% on 80,000, it will be given. Go to the balance sheet. Creditors 78,000. 6% loan 80,000 and interest also here calculated 6% on 80,000, so it become 4,800. Total amount loan plus interest 84,800 will be shown in the outer columns. Second effect will be given about the interest debit side of the farm accounts. Go to the farm account. So amount of return of livestock 14,000 and then outstanding interest on loan 4,800. Go to the sum again. Government subsidy 44,000. Government subsidy, it is income. So as a income, it is credited to the farm accounts. Government subsidy 44,000. Go to the sum again. Closing balance as per the adjustment number 1. Livestock 60,000. The effect is given. Seeds rupees 5,000. Fertilizer rupees 12,000. Grains rupees 30,000. Two effect will be given. First effect will be given credit side of the farm account and second effect will be given in the balance sheet asset side. Go to farm accounts. Closing stock, seeds 5,000, fertilizer 12,000, grains 13,000, total amount rupees 30,000 will be shown in the outer column. Second effect will be given in the balance sheet at the asset side. Seeds 5,000, fertilizer 12,000, grains 13,000, total 30,000 in outer columns. Then go to the farm account. Now it is time to make the totals and we will find out profit or loss. So total 2,36,000, 2,36,000, missing amount 14,700. It is the amount of profit. This amount will be added in the capital in the balance sheet at liability side. Go to the balance sheet. Net profit will be written here 14,700. Total capital 1,40,000. Net profit will be added an amount of drawing will be deducted. So in the outer column, 1,38,700 will be written. Okay, now make the total. It should be same both the side, capital and liability and assets. Total 3,01,500, 3,01,500. Thank you, friend.